Now that you have finished creating your PowerPoint with a few slides, you will begin with recording any added narrations or inking that you would like. I would like just to point your attention to the bottom here. I've enabled my notes section, and the reason that I like the notes section is because when I go to record something, it's going to show me the notes there, which makes it easier for me to remember what I would like to say for each of the slides. So if this is something that's interesting to you, you can enable the notes section by going to the View menu and clicking on Notes. If you don't want your notes there, you can toggle that switch off again. So when you're ready to begin recording your slideshow, you're going to click on Slideshow from the top menu, and then you're going to look for the icon that says Record Slideshow. I'm going to click on Record from the beginning because I haven't done anything to this yet. Once I've clicked the button Record Slideshow, you will notice a new window comes up, and this is my recording menu. In the top left, you're going to notice your recording buttons, so you'll click the Record button when you want to start. You'll click Stop when you've finished what you would like to say for each of those slides, and you can click the Replay button to hear what you would have already said on each of those slides. The Clear button will allow you to, if you want to clear the recordings on one specific slide or on all slides. This is good because if you've replayed what you've already recorded and you don't like it, you can go ahead and remove those recordings and start again. In the middle, you're going to notice my notes section, and this is what I had typed in the notes on the first screen. It will not show up when somebody goes to view your PowerPoint. It's just a tool that's there in the background for you to use. In the bottom, you're going to see a color palette, and this is going to allow you to choose your colors for your pen or your highlighter tool. The other features that you're going to need to pay attention to are your microphone and your video camera. You do need to make sure that the microphone is on, so it is recording everything that you're saying, and right now it is turned on, and you'll notice that it does not have a slash through it. My video camera is turned off, and that means that my face is not being recorded here. If you'd like your students to be able to see you, go ahead and toggle that on, and you will appear in the bottom right-hand corner. So when you're ready to record, go ahead and click the Record button from the top, and it's going to give you a countdown. Hi class, welcome to our Creating Videos with PowerPoint session. I hope that you enjoy it. When you're finished, you hit the stop button and you can replay it to listen to. When you're ready to go to the next slide, go ahead and click on the Advance button. I would go ahead here and I would hit record, and it's going to go ahead and start that. So class, today we are going to solve on a word problem with a proportion. You'll notice that I have animations included here so that when I click my mouse button, something new appears. I can work with any of my drawing tools. I can switch colors in the bottom. And when I'm all done with that, I will hit the stop button. When I go to the next slide, I've given myself a blank area to work with. And if I want to record my drawing or writing on a slide, I can do so. When you're all finished working with your inking and annotations, you can click on the X in the top right-hand corner. This is going to take us back to our PowerPoint screen, our regular editing mode, where you can click through your slides. On each of the slides, you're going to notice that there is a little volume audio button, and that's going to let you click on that and play back what you've already recorded. So class, today we are going to solve on a word problem. So play around with adding some inking and voice narrations to your PowerPoint slides, and in the next lesson I will show you how you're going to save that.